Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we are going to do a product review which is making some big waves in the world of affiliate marketing, and it's called No Product, No Problem. So don't you go anywhere, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Danish from Affiliates Den, and before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you could, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Okay, now that I got out of the way, what are we talking about here? Yes, we are going to review a product called No Product, No Problem by Mr. Matt McWilliams. Yes, this is the guy. And as soon as I heard his name, I said, okay, good. He's revealing his name. That's a good thing. That's one red flag down. Because when people don't do that, when people just say, hey, I'm Joe, and that's it, I'm Joe, that's a pretty huge red flag for me, because nobody knows you, Joe, and what you've been up to for past, I don't know how many years. So it's a good thing that Mr. Matt McWilliams has his own website, and according to his website, I went through this website, he has been in the game for over 10 years, and typical entrepreneur life, got fired a couple of times, and then he decided to start his own affiliate marketing business, and a few years later he was awarded by best affiliate marketer by some affiliate marketing body. I can't remember his name. Let me look for it. 50 plus people. And I also read somewhere in this website that he so far he has trained around 100-something thousand individuals. That's a big number to claim, but that's what it says. And in the form of groups and one-on-one trainings. So I can't find the name. But he's been doing some road shows, and he was awarded from the Nashville Business Journal, the Best Business Award, as you can see over here. So person seems very legit. That's what I'm trying to say here. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign. And according to his website, he has been featured in Seattle Times, the Business Journal, the Solopreneur Hour. I don't know about that. I don't know about EO Fire as well, but the Seattle Times and Business Journal, that's an accolade for this dude. And he has worked with some companies, Michael Hyatt, Shutterfly. So it all seems good. It's something that you can say about this guy. He's not someone who's trying to make a quick buck by registering people and disappear from the face of this earth. He's been doing this for quite a long time, and it's pretty clear that he is in this for a long haul. So that's enough about him. Let's move on to the course. As soon as I heard about it, I registered myself as an affiliate marketer to this course to know more about the course. And according to this product, this is going to be beneficial to bloggers, authors, speakers, podcast YouTubers, platform builders, affiliate marketers, beginner to intermediate online businesses. That's pretty cool. These are training videos for the affiliates, not the people who are going to register into the program. So now program, it seems to me that what it looks like, this program has 3 modules. The first one is the first product is an ebook, what I've gathered so far. Yeah, the first one is an ebook, and then there's a video series, and then the webinar, and then some opting videos for the internet, and again the webinar, then video series, again the webinar. So this whole program comprises of 3 main products: ebook, free video series, I'm not sure about free, but free video series, and finally a webinar. Now the webinar is something that I'm more interested in, because if you talk about this product, if you notice the name of the product is No Product, No Problem. Now what I suspect that the ebook and the video series is pretty much the same thing, which is going to be covered in the webinar, but only in a little bit more detail. Now I've had this, I think I know what's going to happen in the webinar. The webinar is, I don't know if you've heard about John Crestani. He also has the same approach. He doesn't have an ebook, but he does register people for free onto his webinar, and then he describes how to be successful. He takes you through steps and through how, I mean, that's what he covers in the webinar. He takes you through steps, how to build your online business, how to maintain your email listings, and how to respond to them, how to send swipes, what platform to use, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, the whole shebang. He just cover all that, and he doesn't do it in a rush. He is very invested in teaching you this stuff in that webinar. And what happens by the end of the webinar, you are given an option either to take all this information that he has given you in his webinar, take all that information and apply it to by yourself, by enrolling yourself in an autoresponder website, and purchasing WordPress paid themes and all that jazz. So either you can do that, or you can opt in for a product that he upsell in the end of the webinar. Now this product is usually it's a ready-made sales funnel, which is kind of an affiliate bot. It takes the email address of the person who is visiting your free landing page and starts sending emails automatically, and to promote a product. Now, what Mr. Crestani does is that he asks you to promote 2 or 3 of his product along with your product, which is kind of a complete package with you, and a mandatory thing if you buy into that sales funnel, which is very fair. That guy is providing you a complete sales funnel. So you must be thinking that I'm promoting John Crestani here. No, I'm just telling you what I've learned from John Crestani, and that's exactly what is going to happen in this webinar, or at least that's what I suspect. So, because the name of the product is No Product, No Problem, and he's throughout the campaigns which are to come in the coming months, that's exactly what he's going to do. He's going to promote. He's going to give out video series and ebooks, and all these promotions, these emails are going to be going to surround and going to be around. I'm sorry, I'm just losing words today. What I'm trying to say here, that everything is going to bring you to this webinar. So this webinar is the most important sales pitch, or the aspect of this whole product, the webinar. Attend the webinar. Register yourself for the free webinar. So I think that's what he's trying to sell. He has a sales funnel, a ready-made sales funnel. It could be different from John Crestani's sales funnel. I'm not saying he's copying it, but that's what people are doing nowadays. If you remember that legendary marketer and lead bolting, or what, I don't know what lead something. All these products out there, that's what they are doing. They're giving you a ready-made, done-for-you sales funnel, and that sales funnel is going to do everything for you, and you're gonna get leads and opt-ins from the constant emails, swipes sent out to the people that you are bringing to the free landing page. And thing about this is not a bad thing, because people do need that. People who are not tech savvy and they don't know how to go and to Gator or buy a domain and link it to their WordPress and link the autoresponder to the WordPress and maintain it and keep on an eye out, keep on checking it for people who are registering. And that's a lot of work, and these people are doing it for you. So it's only fair if they ask you for a fee to use their bots, their ready-made funnels. So I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing more to cover about this product. I mean, I know what's going to happen. That's exactly what I've told you. Now, if you want to check it out, you can. I've left a link in the description of both the ebook and the webinar. So you can check out the ebook first, maybe, or get the feel of it, or go for the webinar and take the webinar. And you don't have to buy anything at the end of the webinar. Just take the webinar and try to capitalize whatever information is given in the during the webinar. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my review. But I gotta tell you this, that people like Matt McWilliams and John Crestani, they're here, as I've mentioned before, they're here for a long haul. They're not gonna just take your money and screw you over and disappear. So these are big brand names. They've created brands around their names, so they're not gonna ruin it. So don't be afraid to check them out. I've left the links in the description. Just go ahead and try it out and let me know how it goes and in your comment box. And do like this video, please, because I need it. So, well, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.